Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna upgrade the head unit in my car. So let's start with the unboxing. So just as I thought, there's two boxes on the inside. So this would be the head unit and the one below would be the cables. Let's start with the cables maybe. So yeah, here's all the cables that I need and a tiny screwdriver and a frame, I guess. And now the head unit. The product page said always safe PX9 Plus, but just as I thought, this is a Johnson head unit. So it's the exact same as the always safe. This is a good brand as far as I know. The packaging feels pretty premium for the price. Some more cables and a few screws. And a user manual that I won't need. So here's the head unit itself. It basically looks like a 9-inch tablet. Here's all the stuff that came with it, so let's do the installation. Okay, so this is my current setup. It's just a plain and simple Pioneer MV Hedge S420 BT. The crazy thing is that the head unit that I bought now is only 50% more expensive, because this Pioneer is 109 euros and I paid 165 for the one I'm installing now. And it's the 6 gig and 128 gig model, so it's the second most expensive of the ones that's available for this car. Let's start disassembling the current one. She's everything I never knew I wanted. And money won't buy her happiness. Yeah, she's my kind of... I also see now that I will need the... Oh, never mind. I was gonna say I need the adapter, but I already had an adapter here. But I also got one of these with the one I ordered, so that's good. So let's start by connecting these. Here I have two cables for the sub, but I'll just use the right one because the sub is just mono anyway, so that doesn't really matter. This might be too big, but I'll try it anyways. No, it was good. But it's so tiny that I don't know if it will fit in the Vago. Now I should be good to go. I saw that the other cable here had one of these as well, so now it should work. Because the outer diameter will be the same. Yeah, that's good. And I need the adapter here. And now I don't know if the wake up cable works, and I don't know what cable that is, so I don't know what to do with this one. I'll leave it here and see if the head unit turns on. If not, then I need to do something. Let's see. Oh, it's upside down. No, nothing. Let's see if that worked. Then I just connect this there. No, still nothing. Now it makes sense when I looked up the pinout, and if I compare it to here, you can see that this is the wake up, and as you can see, it's here, which means it's that yellow one. So what I'm doing right now with the red one, that's not good actually. This is all the power, this little cable, that's from the battery, so it should be thicker, but it's not. This is the signal, so what I should do is swap these two. I'm gonna try to do that. Well, that was easy. I just have to pull them. That goes there, I guess. Yeah. And that goes there. That was simple. Let's see if it works now, which it should. Yeah, that was better. I'm just glad it was that easy. And then the antenna goes there. And I just push it, I guess. Yeah, you have to push it really hard, but that looks pretty good. Let's see. Oh, it just continues right where I left off. That's good. I should also remove this, if I can find the edge. There. Yeah, that made it way cleaner. Oh, here's the crossover. Oh, wait, I need this, not 20. This should be 12, and this, how do I change the, oh, there. 125 maybe. About there. 124 and 12. Well, I'll have to blur that because this is the map, but yeah. Here I have Spotify, and Yeah, as I thought, I can just use the phone's own GPS, so the head unit doesn't need to have its own GPS connected. So here I have maps and Spotify. But yeah, I guess that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.